Hey guys, my name is James. Today I'll be sharing with you my assignment 1 of 3D printing. For parametric models, my first item is a keychain. I start by creating a sketch, draw the shape that I want for my keychain using rectangle, then extrude the sketch to give them thickness. Next, I add a hole at the top of the key ring. Finally, I add my name to it. My second item is an ice cube tray. I start by creating a sketch again, draw a rectangle, then extrude it, and next I draw another rectangle on top of it to cut a hole. Then I use fillet to round the corners. Next, I copy it by using a pattern feature and adjust the spacing. Finally, I cut off the extra face. For the pen holders, I start with drawing a circle, then extrude it. For the top, I use a shell to remove the face. Next, I use fillet feature to give the bottom a bit of radius, and I add polygons to the front and use the pattern to apply all the polygons to every single face. For freeform models, I start to create a basic vase form model. Begin by generate a cylinder, adjusting its height and face, then manipulate the face and the edge to sculpt to the desired shape of the vase. My next freeform item is an airplane. This time I try to create a bit more complex model. Start with drawing a box, then set the face and the length of the model. Then form it accordingly to the shape that I want. The most challenging part is to create the wings. But luckily, I found a tutorial on YouTube that helps me to solve the problem. My last freeform model is a little cutie whale. I start again with drawing a box form and adjusting the height and the face of the body. Next, I form a tail of the whale and adjusting the length for the tail and the angle as well. Finally, I create the eyes for it. For the assembly, as usual, I start with a sample model. So my first item is a screw and a net. So I quickly create the model of the screw and the net and use join feature to assemble in the assemble section to make them assemble together with a cylindrical motion. My next model is a return mechanism. After the simple model, I'm trying to make a more component and make them work accordingly. I have no issue with creating the component since I keep practicing the sketching skills, but the component's movement is a big challenge for me. My final model is a slot mechanism motion. In this model, the slot stays still while the pin can only move inside of it. If I design the slot right, pin can move along the slot path, doing what I want it to do. Well, that's all for the models. Thanks for watching.